So for question number 5, we need 3 steps. We're going to first calculate the energy required to heat up the water. And let's go ahead and do this part first. So we have 220 grams of water, which was heated from 20 to 100 degrees Celsius. So the change in temperature was 80 degrees Celsius. And for this, we need the conversion factor, 1 calorie per 1 gram, 1 degree Celsius. So we're done with step number 1. Now, we have to convert calories into joules because watt is equal to 1,000 joules per second. So to do further calculations, we have to go from calories to joules. And 1 calorie of energy is equal to 4.18 joules. So this was step number 2. Now finally, we have to use the provided watt information. 1,000 watt is equal to 1,000 joules of energy being given off each second. So 1,000 joules of energy is given off each second, so joules cancel out. So this is step number 3. And if you put this into the calculator, you will get exactly this number. So this is equal to 74 seconds. And now the calculated number is equal to the number included in our statement. So we have successfully proven this statement to be true.